It is time now to start with implementation of our controllers. During this class, we are going to implement the first method of our user controller. This method is the index method. Now, the index method is basically to return the whole list of users that we have in our database. For that, we can use a very simple method that Eloquent, the Laravel ORM, provides us. So let's go to our code. If we check in our roots, we can see that for the users, we want all the methods excepting the create and edit. So let's remove first those methods from our controller. And now let's implement the index. So to obtain the list of all the users, we do need to do this. Remember to import the definition of user. And now, using the all method, we are obtaining, all the users that we have. Let's return that using a JSON response directly. We are going to use a root element for our JSON responses called data. In this way, the clients of our RESTful API will know which element to obtain in order to get all the data that they need. And inside of data is going to be the collection of all the users. We can use, for example, return the users. And that is going to be a JSON response as well, but we don't have the possibility to modify a little the structure and specify the response code. In this case, the 200 response code means that this is an OK response, meaning that everything's works correctly. So let's check if it is working properly. Let's open Postman, and there we are going to perform a request for users. Of course, we are going to use the get method because remember, the get method is to obtain all these users in this specific case. There we have all of them, so we are done now. See you in the next class.